Maitei community holds Sajigbu Nongma Panba Cherauba celebration, marking the beginning of New Year with religious fervor and gaiety. NEIDP outer candidate Ashank Kashar claims abduction attempt in Senapati by suspected NACN IM cadres, alleges NPF of utilizing proscribed groups in electioneering. NIDA convener Hemanta Biswa asserts victory is assured for BJP in both inner and outer Manipur parliamentary seats of 17th Lok Sabha election. And the second unnatural death of a minor girl in mid-March-April at an undisclosed places under Nongpok Sekmai police station of Taubal district creeps people. Hello and welcome to Impact News. We wish our dear viewers a prosperous Sajigbu Nongma Panba Cherauba. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Joyce Rusham with the top stories and latest news at this hour. Maitei community celebrated Sajigbu Nongma Panba Cherauba, marking the beginning of New Year with traditional fervor and gaiety across the state today. The festival is mainly observed on the first lunar day of the lunar month of Manipuri calendar, which usually falls on March or April. People welcome the new year by offering seasonal flowers, fruits and vegetables to Lining Tho, Sanamahi and Ima Leimarel as a tradition. Special traditional cuisines were prepared for the day. Every family offered the prepared traditional cuisines to local deities at the entrance of their houses, praying for happiness and prosperity. Neighbors also exchanged special dishes prepared for the day.
Kira olak pasi am nungai mayam do nungai apa oisenoi na hajani ikan unaba cahi manung da mutang nungai apa pina duna unaba adu khaktan
ano sahi na lak pasi da aphaba adai khana chaina da ba yamna ingba tappa leiba ama oisenu na hajani aina khanjab da masi khwai dai maru yamna kaino di akhoi sahi horok pai ji akhoi gi oina di maite akhoi gi oina di masai da koi apha pataba mayam ji lai da khoi aphaba pina biramu phapta mayam du kaino to biwa na ngasi kaino to bonumini tasengna harga di khoi gi nupi oi basingna mayam mai di mabung jingda angamba khudon bot sing pira khoi da gi thaujan ni jaba numit adum mane hajring kachimnau gi oi bagi mari de amna chechanan bu jo elen.
People climbed hills in the afternoon after Cherauba luncheon as a tradition. People of all ages, starting from tiny tots to adults, climbed various hillocks across Imphal Valley today. Many people climbed Thangmaiban Cherauching this afternoon. Chaukhat Khonthang Lup Taubal Wangmataba organized Singju Festival as a part of Sajigbu Nongma Panba Cherauba at Taubal Wangmataba ground today. 26 stalls were opened and varieties of Singju, indigenous delicacy, were made available during the festival. Unmarried girls also played tug of war as part of the festival. Suspected cadres of NACN IM tried to abduct NEIDP outer candidate Ashank Kashar today while in Senapati campaigning for the forthcoming 17th Lok Sabha election. NEIDP has strongly condemned the incident. NEIDP outer candidate Ashank Kashar alleged that Naga People's Front NPF involved proscribed group to threaten him and urged people to boycott NPF in the upcoming election. Speaking to media at NEIDP Manipur State Unit Office in Tera today, Ashank stated that if he ever wins the upcoming election and becomes an MP, he will eliminate NPF from the state. He said a public meeting was held at a hall near Senapati Market, attended by NEIDP, Senapati unit supporters, village chiefs and leaders of various communities in the district today. Shankar stated that Ansam former President David Zuro entered and left the meeting hall for a short while. He maintained that a few minutes later, after he left, around 5 suspected cadres of NSC and IM entered the meeting hall and threatened to end the meeting. He said attendees saved him from the abduction by the miscreants. The NEIDP outer candidate also alleged that SP Senapati ignored him when he complained about the incident.
Yamna seamless act, yamna chokha level lepa democracy asigi election matam asida jai adom election lapo khuding da ekhoigi chingda leiriba organization singsina khud thinjin thinjalaga ima ipa singbu ahalma singbu ki hanba masi tawbigunu ekhoi achumba tawse ahomba purakse nungsina leise hairadi karige se pangthok pibano asengba ima leba ki mi nungsiba gi thaba tawningba taradi aina open ngasi challenge tawbasini openly oina mi nungsiba mina let the people decide. Akoi mayambu phajana taklaga mina khankatba adugumba leader oise NPF ki candidate leader bo aina haining badi asigumba political party amana unlawful organization ama sijinaraga akoi bu ki hala tawhan base asigi party si chap chana ngasi Manipur da leba mi mayamna boycott toraga muthappa mamitana muthappa se masi targa lere.
Taking part in the press meet, President of NEIDP Manipur State Unit, Dr. N.G. Bijoy, condemned the incident and appeals to authorities concerned to prevent such unwanted incident in future. He disclosed that NEIDP has already apprised authorities concerned to beef up security measures in Tamenglong, Senapati, Chandel and Tengnopal by declaring these areas as hypersensitive zone.
Lanba chumbadudi kona thibam thoyena ikhanjai rescue tawuduna ahanba khongthang oigedabani adubu madu tawigide haibasi tabada ekhoi nungaijade chenji leiba midusu pau tamibadusu candidate masamangni hak theng nana thengnariba adugumba incident adu ekhoi yamna laibak thibani siguma rescue tawiyona lakpadi police ki mathaunina madu khudakta rescue tawnanaba lawra matungda kona chumbra chumdabra idu thibiba changi haina ekhoi thamjage Singi Chilinau, outer Manipur, the Ladiba, Mayampuna Manasu, Sigumba incident Nasi, Tabiraga, Aikogi candidate say, Amukang, Aiko in Manipur, outer Manipur, constituency, represent the Honbiraga, Mana Pamjariba, Sumba rectification, Taujanimbugi Wakalola say, Masi Tungan Biu.
An exclusive interview with President of NEIDP Central Working Committee Naringbam Samarjit will be telecast on an exclusive program of Impact News channel in view of the upcoming election entitled President Speak in the afternoon of April 7. Ahead of Prime Minister Narendra Modi's state visit, NIDA convener cum Assam Finance Minister Hemanta Biswa reached Imphal today. Speaking to media, Hemanta Biswa asserted that BJP will win in both inner and outer Manipur parliamentary constituencies in the ensuing Lok Sabha elections. He said BJP will secure 19 or 21 seats out of the total 25 seats in northeast states. Regarding CAP, Hemanta Biswa assured that there is nothing on the bill as yet. He urged people not to be apprehensive regarding the bill. He assured that BJP will regard the interests of the people of northeast states. Speaking to media, Chief Minister Nongthongma Biren, who came to receive the NIDA convener, reiterated that BJP will win both outer and inner seats in the upcoming election. Responding to a query regarding the election manifesto of Congress Party, where it mentioned about removal of AFSPA from the state, Chief Minister Biren denounced the manifesto as all pep talks in view of the upcoming elections.
We are moving in right direction and we will win both the seats in Manipur. After the parliamentary election, when there will be a discussion on CAP, we will follow the road of consensus and consultation. In tribal states or hill states like Manipur, where there is no NRC, there is hardly any need of CAP. So we can create safeguards. We can create safeguard for the people of Northeast, people of Manipur, that please do not worry about CAP. We know your request, we know your demands, and we'll adequately address that.
I fully believe, because I have seen the enthusiastic support of the people, masses of the state, and I firmly believe that both sides will be in favor of or BJP. We know imposition was by them, and the review also going to by them. It is simply lip service, I take.
BJP Manipur Pradesh held a 38th Foundation Day observance of Bharatiya Janata Party BJP at party office in Kanchipur today. President of BJP Manipur Pradesh Ketrmayum Bhabananda led the party members in paying floral tributes to the portraits of former BJP leaders Pandit Dindayal Upadhyaya and Shyama Prasad Mukherjee on the occasion. Speaking in the event, Ketrmayum Bhabananda stated that BJP was formed on the ideals of integral humanity and well-being of the country. He said BJP believe in nation first, party second ideology.
अखोइना भारतीय जनता पार्टी अमगी मेंबरशिप ओइबे अखोइना चौथोक चनिंगाइसी पार्टी सी दमक भोट लेपिनबो लेतब मतम अम यावखिबा भारतीय जनता पार्टी की मेंबर ने हायरगा अखोइ करेन कथाइ नखिबा मतम दु मयाम द अखोइ लिसान सिन यावरगा उरगा लाखरबा ngakतनि अदु ngasibi अदुगि मति नुंगाइबसे अखोइना करि दमत फाउजरिबनोदा अखोइना वाजरमबा अहल लमनसिंगना तंबिरमबा मगी खोंगुन लिरकबा मतम सिरि ngasibi अखोइ पृथ्वी पुमना खंबा अदुगुंबा भारत नंबर सेंबा ngamnaba honabada नरेंद्र मोदी गुंबा मियोय हमना प्राइम मिनिस्टर गा मागी मतुंगदा यावबा अखोइ अदुगुंबा मियोय नि खनबदा अखोइ अदुगि मति चौथोकजबो पोक्से
Vice President of National People's Party Manipur Unit Henlian Thanglet along with President and executive members of NPP Churachandpur district left the party today. Sources said they might join the Congress party. It is reported that Henlian Thanglet left the party due to added pressures from party workers. Information Center for Hill Areas Manipur Icham warns to take actions against spokesperson of Manipur Pradesh Congress Committee MLA Joy Kishan and James Gangte for trying to defame Icham by charging various allegations. Speaking to media at Icham office in North AOC today, Icham President Yuimi Horam refuted that no team of Icham ever approached James Gangte with an offer of 5 lakh rupees to compromise the recent allegations of bribery upon a former Icham president by MLA Kumukcham Joy Kishan and James Gangte. Yuimi claimed that James is on a hideout, and during a telephonic conversation with a member of Icham recently, James Gangte expressed a desire to discuss the issue after the ensuing elections. The Icham president termed the allegations by James Gangte as mere political tactics in view of the upcoming elections.
Ngasi ayukta pung tara atwaida James na telephone ay hakpu taurame Ocha Horam karam taure haina James nang kari ki atumay na paper ta hapra haibagan na mana as adu konna waris hase haina haiki adu ta ina as oi ta badu paper ta atumay na tawganu asi athuba madamda hayang si sengthok piro nadradi aikhoina action lawgadabdu lawrani haina haibagan da mana as अखोई कांगपु ताना खिके अदुगा इलेक्शन लोइरगा असी सेंथोक पिगे हाइना हाय अदु अखोइना कौबगांददी मा लाकनिंगदे अदुगा अखोइगी एमएलए अदुगा एमबीसीसी की स्पोक्स पर्सन जोय किसान ना कौबगांददी हेक हेक लाकलगा असुमाइना तौबची नुंगाइदे असी कुंबा अरानबा सेमचिर सिचिनबा वाफमना राजनीति
A girl student of class 12 was found hanging from a tree at an undisclosed location under Nongpok Sekmai police station in Thoubal district today. The deceased appeared for the recent class 12 board examination conducted by Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur. Her body was found hanging from a tree near a pond about 300 meters away from her residence. According to family members, she was missing from home since last evening around 6. Nongpok Sekmai police team rushed at the spot and carried out necessary investigation and then handed over the body to Jennings morgue for post-mortem. It may be mentioned that this is the second death of a minor girl mid-March-April in areas under Nongpok Sekmai police station of Thoubal district. A case was registered against the incident. Now it's time for a small commercial break. After the break, we bring you news on villagers of Itham Tangkhul in Pungyer constituency urging the government to improve their life. Keep watching Impact News. Welcome back after the break. You're watching Primetime English News. Residents of Itham Tangkhul village in Phungyar constituency of Kamjong district are still deprived of electricity, health facilities and other daily basic amenities in this modern age. Impact News reporter Git Chandra Khaidem and camera person Bisorjit Namairakpam bring you a report.
Itham Tangkhul village in Phungyar constituencies of Kamjong district is situated 58 kilometers away from Imphal. Around 54 households resides in the village where agriculture is the main occupation. Villagers are still living a deprived life with no electricity, healthcare or education facilities amongst others.
Valley di city di khoi nak na ching ha do itham sini ado haji ngasi phauna ekoi je communication health education power ha je leitaba khun oin leiri government na just by na hoje ekoi mayam lae thamari ma phadri ba koila sari su napi na thalle aduga koila su naptre koila thaba natre koila taiba oina tare loina nung jeng mayam thorakre hoji se tha ahum mari thaw gro matung sida aduna ekoi si yam na development government khara pirap ki je khara fazana sudra na ekoi si yam harobune dubu thabak action oni yengma matam da di thajabase ekoi leiraktre nong chugrobdi lambi si lambi leitre yar problem da koina bharat tingduna lisi mari tingduna jip wire chale.
Electricity wires were set up in the village around 10 years ago, but electric connections is not provided yet. Deplorable road conditions of the village brings immense plight to the villagers in transportation. The nearest route to Imphal is via Nongdam Tangkhul village. Even though construction of the road under PMGSY was approved, works are yet to be started. Villagers urge the government to look into the plight without further delay.
GMC unare lineman leitre here aduga wiring hi ngo hoji yengbuda lore nom thar lere lepakta mi su sok ninga su leye adu matam da lineman pio sem mai da samge matam da adu dum samaya post double post lege du bodu da single post da yaudun lere hoji se koi se aduna mai thandre ngasi phon mai phangdre koi se impan phauninga khoi lambi se yam napka nungdam dam da chaka du lambi se program di yaure haye tender tobidre minister na thabak subidre.
For reporter Git Chandra Khaidem and camera person Bisorjit Namairakpam, this is Itham Tangkhul.
Now moving ahead, Chirmi Shimre, a young woman from Tangkhul community, released her debut novel The Sea and I today. MLA Ukhrul Alfred Kanam author graced the book releasing event held at 70mm Cafe in Uripok, Achom Lekai, where he encouraged youths to strive ahead with perseverance by listening to their inner consciousness. The young writer said her fictional novel talks about life and death and facing life struggles. She said the female protagonist of the novel encourages everyone, especially the youths, not to give up on life as yet because life is so much worth living.
Very special place in my heart. So the themes that I use in this book are death and freedom. So later you can find out when you read the book like how this freedom is achieved. Is it achieved out of death? Is it achieved suicide? Is it? The message that I want to send out especially to youngsters is whatever problems, whatever pain that you're going through in life, don't give up on it.
Manipuri Students Federation MSF held its 13 Iramdam Shaita Ishai 2019 and grand finale of first state level open folk solo song competition at Youth Club Ground, Ghari Awang Lekai today. 10 competitors took part in the grand finale of first state level open folk solo song competition where renowned folk singer of Manipur, Laurembam Bedabati, Guru Ruben Mashangvu, singer Sagol Semba Tijendra, eminent director of Manipuri Films, Makon Mani Mongshaba, and other experts were the jury members. Speaking to media, MSF President Ngariyamban Milan stressed the need to preserve folk songs and music along with tradition and culture in safeguarding indigenous inhabitants and their rights.
chahi lising ani sigi puari sigi khoi masigi chap chaba margi praman se khoina pibangam da targadi malim gi miamna khoida nokna ga ba United Nations na indigenous people's right kan matam da khoi culture magi tradition amadi magi folk music song sing se masi si yokhat kadabani masi kandragadi indigenous people's gi right se mapung pharoi haiba adung ma pandam madu da Manipur Students Federation so handa ki chahi asidagi horaga lakaduru chahi sing da state level open folk solo song competition ama khoi hapsin jarakanda theme khoi nationalism amadi patriotism haiba theme sida khoi handak chahi dagi khoi pangthok pa hojabani first second third ki mana adu na te khoina miam da competitors sing da khoina piningi ba paujel de folk song se masi se kannana ba makhoi makhona ambassador ama morakanda malem gi miam da khoi su khoi gi sugumba music ki field so khoi gi leje haiba da makhoi ambassador ama morakanda khoi gi miam da thauna hapigani inot pibigani.
1 month-long workshop and production of Manipuri dance for children held at Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Phal concluded today. Leander Folk and Classical Academy in Nagamapal organized the event under the sponsorship of Sangeet Natak Academy in New Delhi. Speaking at the event as Chief Guest Director of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy in Phal, Elo Pendro stressed the need to instill the importance of culture and traditions of the state to the upcoming generation.
Society da say oja sing guru jaboi oja sing che yam regard to sikaino they have not the fixed remuneration sikiek bir mazudum logni pamanga bi da sulogni that is masibu ne akoi gi katokpagi thabak mina sai jaboi tambi wada sai atai da modi fixed of palisingum logota mi lisingani logota.
Selection test for admission to Class 6 at Jawaharlal Navodaya Vidyalaya Chandel was held in 4 centers of Chandel, Machi, Chakpikarong and More today. Around 440 candidates appeared in the selection test held at More Government Higher Secondary School. SDO Dinesh Kumar and Principal of More Government Higher Secondary School ensured smooth and successful conduct of the selection test. Churachandpur District Election Office and Pole Motorcycle and Bike Riders of the district jointly organized SVEEP Bike Rally under the theme One Person, One Vote in view of the forthcoming 17th Lok Sabha election today. The rally flagged off from Pole Motorcycle Showroom in Chiang Kongpang Land and reached till Kangwai and Kugadam. As part of security measures ahead of upcoming Lok Sabha polls, Imphal West Commando team carried out cordon and search operations at 6 hotels in Pauna Bazar today. The team, under the supervision of additional SP Operation Imphal West Police Aribam Ganesham, carried out the drive at Hotel Santosh, Hotel Jehovah, Nash Hotel, Prince Hotel, Christina and GM Hotel from 2:40 to 3:25 this afternoon. No one was arrested during the drive. Now, before we end, let's take a look at the headlines once again. Meitei community holds Sajibu Nongma Panba Cherauba celebration, marking the beginning of New Year with religious fervor and gaiety. NEIDP outer candidate Ashanka Sar claims abduction attempt in Sanapati by suspected NSC and IM cadres, alleges NPF of utilizing proscribed troops in electioneering. NIDA convener Hemanta Biswa Sarma asserts victory is assured for BJP in both inner and outer Manipur parliamentary seats of 17th Lok Sabha election. And second unnatural death of a minor girl in mid-March-April at an undisclosed place under Nongpok Sekmai police station of Thoubal district, Crips people.